We've listened. What you have told us is that you're tired of not having a choice. You're tired of not having restorative solutions. You're tired of the no choice. One scan body equals one prosthetic component. And because we've listened, we're here to introduce our brand new library, where one scan body, whether it be intraoral or in the laboratory, allows you up to 17 different restorative options for fixture level restorations. This is 3 different heights of angled access channel tie bases. This is straight tie bases. This is temp cylinders at 3 different heights. This is engaging and non-engaging components. And what makes this more fun, your full arch cases, you have 9 different restorative solutions ranging from 12 millimeters tall down to 4 millimeters tall. Angled access channels from 0 to 30. Now, with the Choice Library, you can choose the best restoration for your patient, and you don't have to make do with the no choice options. It's a new day, and we're proud to present this to you. Thank you for visiting PREAT.